My name is Mandy.
My name is Jean Luc.
I'm originally from Glasgow, Scotland. Stop!
I'm from Nova Scotia.
We're newlyweds.
Yes!
Oh!
Mandy works in the cosmetics field, and Jean Luc is an architect. For the last few years, they've shared this home in San Diego, but they're making a big change and moving north to Portland, Oregon.
Moving from San Diego to Portland was kind of just a fluke, really. We had come hiking here, and we just fell in love with the place. It was beautiful and green, and I think both of us, coming from the countries that we came from, it was like we kind of missed the seasons.
My philosophy is enough with the sunshine. I want clouds, I want rain. I just want a different experience.
To help them find a home, they've hired realtor Chelsea Hemingway.
What's your price point, ideal price point?
300,000, we're thinking, like, max.
Maximum 300?
Yeah.
What's our wish list?
What I'm looking for is an amazing backyard, like very woodsy, green.
Definitely 3-bedroom, 2-bath.
Yeah, 2+ bath.
Yeah.
Design of house?
Being an architect, I'm kind of looking at cathedral ceilings or slope ceilings. Instead of these small 2-inch baseboards, more of the 6-inch decorative baseboards, crown molding. Details are very important.
The Portland market right now is extremely competitive, which is what comes in the market, goes off the market quickly. And Jean Luc, being an architect, he's extremely detail-oriented, and he has a lot of different wants and needs.
I think the home search with Jean Luc is definitely going to be challenging because he is so analytical and technical. Definitely, I'm more like just kind of going in the warm and fuzzy feeling of the house.
We'll be able to put our minds together and hopefully find something that basically works for both of us.
Yeah.
Well, it's a pretty nice little neighborhood.
We have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a little over 1,800 square feet.
Nice covering.
And pretty trees and everything.
Here, come on in. So it's priced at $260,000, which is very competitive for the neighborhood because it's a short sale. So keep that in mind. It's about a 3-month process to hear back from the bank.
Okay. Great breakfast, Nick.
Hardwood floors, they can be refinished.
Smaller baseboards there that would
Yeah.
have to be replaced.
Exactly.
With nice 6-inch.
They redid the kitchen, updated the cabinetry, new countertops. You know, it has white appliances, but
Yeah.
so
So
you can switch those out.
feels
and it would
like
be
a
really
little
up to you.
small, doesn't it?
Yeah, this feels a little tight.
Yeah.
The sink looks out in the backyard, which is
this
really
is
This
nice.
is pretty.
Yeah, it's a big window here.
See,
Lots of nice windows.
after I cook and you're doing all the dishes,
I could have a view.
you have a nice
There you
view.
Exactly.
Fantastic backyard.
This
Nice.
is so pretty.
Isn't it
And I
nice?
love the
Large
Japanese
deck.
maple.
It has a nice big side yard as well.
Little house there included.
That's your house, Jean Luc. You're in trouble.
It's
It's a
big.
huge lot.
I love the backyard. It's open, it's big, and I think it's got a lot of potential to plant a lot of flowers and plants.
The deck,
Pretty.
it's a little rough looking, but with a
That needs to be
fresh
refinished.
coat of
It's a nice space,
stain and
Yeah.
though. Okay.
has potential.
It's kind of like a weird layout,
It
I
is. It
think.
looks like you have your dining room. Fireplace is kind of off center to the family room. It's kind of strange.
Now you'd have to do some drawings to figure out where we could put our furniture.
Yeah, I can do a sketch out of the floor plan.
Figure
that
it
could
out.
work.
I'm gonna go check out the upstairs.
Oh, I just noticed there's seems to be a stain on the ceiling.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of looks like maybe a roof leak. That's a concern of mine.
Yeah.
Big red flags. It basically lets me know that there is a problem with the roof system, so it is a big concern.
I'm gonna take a look at the master bedroom here to the right.
Kind of a odd shaped room.
Big room, but definitely odd
Oh,
shaped.
nice big window.
I love that, and you can see all the trees.
Yeah, the roof is kind of looking a little run down.
I think it's original. We have the master bath here.
It's big.
Yeah, some
nice.
updates.
No bathtub?
No bathtub, just a shower.
Okay.
Kind of like a bath. But
Great skylights.
Looks like we have leak issues again coming off of the skylights.
I think you should probably anticipate replacement.
yeah. I love the neighborhood, and I love the high ceilings.
The bedrooms are very spacious. The only concerns that I have is a few leaks on the ceilings, and it seems like the roof is a bit outdated. Being what I do for a living, I can kind of somewhat estimate, you know, you're looking at about a $20,000, $30,000 hit right off the bat. So that kind of concerns us.
Yeah, a little bit.
I knew that the roof needed to be replaced, possibly down the road, but West Lynn's a fantastic neighborhood. They're picking it up as a short sale. It gets them in at a very reasonable price, and if they were to do the improvements, it'd be an amazing value for them. So welcome to Gresham.
Wow,
Yeah,
it's really pretty.
This is about 30 miles outside of town. Home's listed at $269.
Okay.
We have 3 bedrooms, 3 baths.
A little further than we expected.
It's a little further out from the city, but it has a real unique downtown Main Street, which they're reviving, and it also offers a real peaceful environment to it as well. So I thought it'd be a perfect fit for them. We have bamboo floors throughout the main floor.
Wow, I love
Yeah,
this.
really
And then
like,
look,
love the space.
beautiful
Very open
fireplace.
space.
Fireplace is
Large
great.
windows.
I like the contemporary railings on the
this.
staircase. So we have eating area here, kitchen
I
with
love
island.
the kitchen.
Is this granite
Yeah,
counter?
it's got slab granite
countertops?
here, all stainless appliances, custom cabinets, all wood boxes. So typically you would have laminate in there. Instead, they're all wood. We have a nice covered deck
Really?
space, which is
Really,
great.
really.
Beautiful.
Really nice
Look
and
at-
woodsy, just what you were looking for.
Yeah, all the trees are gorgeous.
nice.
Wow.
Beautiful landscape.
Nice bar.
I think for parties, you know, if you
Nice.
can have people out here, inside, it adds a whole nother.
Nice for entertaining.
Yeah, a whole nother
yes.
room to the house outside.
Look at the shower.
Shower's gorgeous.
Love it.
Love the
It
stonework.
does seem
Yeah,
a bit
it's really nice.
tight in here, a bit
It's-
small.
It's a little small.
Next door is a guest bedroom.
Oh, wow.
A bit small.
It's a bit.
It
It is
is.
a bit small. When I looked at the property, I thought this would be great for an office.
The size of the bedroom and bath was kind of disappointing because we have a lot of friends and family, and everybody wants to come and visit.
I can envision having Mandy's family, my family all in the house and trying to decide, well, who gets the smallest bedroom.
Huge bathroom.
Wow.
You have your wood floors,
Nice
which is
and
nice.
Look at these,
Oh,
the
yeah.
skylight.
The
Great
lights.
light, high ceilings. The door to the outside.
I
is
love that.
Now, what is this, Chelsea?
Well, it's an air conditioning unit. I'm assuming from the 70s. Come on in, we'll go check out the master bath.
Okay.
Transition to carpet.
Oh, no.
That's a little odd.
Especially.
Oh my gosh, look at
What
this
in
thing.
the world is this
What
thing?
is it?
Oh my goodness, it's a time machine.
That's borderline obnoxious. Okay, I see a remote though, so maybe we can find out what it is.
Oh my goodness,
It's got-
mood lighting.
We've got mood lighting.
lighting.
It's got a whirlpool.
gosh,
It
that
has a
is
radio.
hysterical.
Exactly. Oh, it is. Turn it off.
The bathtub being all electrical and everything does make you a little bit worried if all of a sudden you get a short circuit or anything, which wouldn't be a good thing.
So, what do you think?
I love the kitchen.
I
really
really
nice.
love the architectural features of the stair.
And I love the windows. Just gorgeous, really bright.
One of the negative aspects was on this main level is the smaller bathroom and the smaller bedroom. Also, the time machine there, shower.
Yes.
It's kind of odd.
The house presents itself beautifully. It has a ton done. It backs to green space. Everybody in Oregon wants to back to green space, so I think it's a perfect house for them. Hi, guys.
Hi, Chelsea.
Okay, so you wanted something a little closer to Portland? And we're in the city of Portland, about 15 minutes from downtown.
Oh,
Oh, great.
great.
We have 2,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and we're listed at $299.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
I
wow,
love
nice
it.
living room.
This
Nice
is
open space.
so pretty.
Love the vaulted ceilings.
Yeah.
And the wood floors are gorgeous.
They are nice.
Oh, yeah,
Really
it's
pretty.
like
They're throughout.
It's like mahogany.
And I love the
It's
little
like-
bay window. Yeah, that's really cute.
Yeah, I like all the architectural details, the casings around the windows and the doors.
Yeah, so you have an eating area here, and you also have the sit-up bar here. It's nice
Really
and
good
open.
size.
The,
Yeah.
Great for entertaining. Backs to green space, which I know is really important for you
Wow,
guys.
This
Oh,
is really
nice.
pretty.
Nice patio down
Yeah.
below.
Asian detailing on the fence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little privacy panel.
You can't see it
It's really
today, but the
nice.
neighborhood has beautiful views. There's Mount Hood, and there's a lot more to view out there.
view.
It's just it's one of those
clear
days
day,
in Portland.
Yes.
Exactly.
This is what we wanted.
Yeah,
No
sun.
more sunshine.
Yeah, perfect if we're right at home. So here's a nice size full bath up here. It's a tub shower combo.
Yeah.
Laminate countertops, but you can change those out if you wanted to.
Yeah, they continue with all the casing,
Yeah.
architectural casing around the doors.
And
That's
then
really
we
nice.
have the other 2 bedrooms here.
Little bright
Nice.
colors, but it's
Yeah, you don't like the
actually
green?
nice.
Good size
Now,
window.
is this little guy here part of the?
I think we can write that one in.
It's kind of interesting.
Does that look like Mandy in the mornings?
Pretty much when I try to wake her up and she doesn't want to get out of bed.
Nice, it's separated from the other bedroom.
This is great. Great
Nice
size.
size.
Yeah. Love the ceiling. I love the archway.
The lines, yeah.
The archway is a very nice architectural aspect. Basically, it's giving you the feel that you're entering another room without having a door. That was a real nice feature.
And then a nice walk-in
huge.
closet.
I love the walk-in closet.
And a perfect size Mandy bathtub.
It's a
Yeah.
mini tub
Yeah, I love the mini tubs.
for wee Mandy.
I really like it.
Yeah.
I think it's beautiful, and I love the kitchen.
I love the architectural features, the attention to detail, beautiful floors,
Beautiful,
wood
yeah.
floors.
Yeah.
I love that it has 4 bedrooms upstairs.
It's a great house. It's closer to downtown. It has a nice homey feeling, but the fact that it's close to the top of their price point might be a stretch for them. I'm not sure they're ready to make that commitment.
Listed for $260,000, their first option is a 3-bedroom home in the upscale suburb of West Lynn.
I loved the neighborhood. It was really gorgeous. The kitchen was a little small.
The roof was in pretty bad condition.
There's a short sale, too. Do we really have
Exactly.
time? I mean, it's
We're limited on time.
yeah.
At $269,000, option 2 is a 3-bedroom tri-level in the suburb of Gresham.
Had nice lines, nice architectural aspects, nice open feel to it.
I loved the back garden.
The middle level, the bedroom there was a bit
It's a little
small. Also, it's pretty far from downtown.
And then the only other thing was that weird
Oh, the time machine,
Yeah.
yes.
the sh-
I don't know what to
shower.
make about that one.
Priced at $299,000, their third option is the priciest, but it has 4 bedrooms and is close to downtown Portland.
It was definitely beautiful. I mean, it's really open and bright, and it's
Yeah.
got a big kitchen.
It definitely had a lot of architectural aspects that I really liked. It's pretty much move-in ready.
And it had a really nice back garden.
It is on the higher end of our budget.
Yeah.
So which one will they choose?
I think I'm willing to sacrifice the proximity to downtown Portland for the right house.
Are you talking about the Gresham house?
Yes, I am.
That's me too.
I love the openness.
It's just beautiful. Yay!
Yay, salute.
Salute. We've been here for 1 month, and we love the house. I love the way it feels.
We did a little bit of painting, wanted to try to keep everything light and bright.
And a little tile work, too, in the downstairs bathroom.
That's good, not too much.
I love working in this kitchen together.
You know, you have the nice big island counter space, and cabinet space is just wonderful.
The shower is actually really fun.
At first, it was just kind of strange being in there. But then once you start fiddling around with all the components, all the shower jets, pretty fun. It's nice having the radio
Yeah.
in there too, where, you know, you do a little dancing and
Yeah.
sing along.
They've also uncovered something special.
One day, Mandy and I decided to do yard work, and we just started trimming away ivy. The next thing you know, we start finding a waterfall feature. We got the system to operate, and as you can see, it's just a wonderful feature.